Do you know many people are having trouble with the orange light on their HP LaserJet 1320? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check messages. Start by checking your computer or printer screen for specific error messages. Step 2. Clear paper jam. Open the printer and look for any paper jams. Carefully remove any stuck paper. Step 3. Check toner. Ensure the toner cartridge is properly seated. Remove and reinsert it to be sure. Step 4. Check trays. Verify that the input trays are closed and the media meets specifications. Step 5. Print diagnostics. If the orange light persists, try printing a diagnostic page for more details. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the orange light issue. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.